Right, I got almost that whole row done. More snow piling up. High winds. This is brutal, and I got rain incoming. Lift up the old wiper blades. Now I got a shovel. Stay safe out there, folks. This is gonna be a nasty morning tomorrow. The snow ain't over yet, eh? And the plow just came by. Cool. What happens if anyone down here needs an ambulance? Like, you just screwed us all. This is like up to my waist. Hey, where is the plow? It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. My neighbor is out with his snowblower. He just came back from Sudbury. He got stuck. Where is the plow? Hello? Property taxes are paid. Come on now. This is ridiculous. And I just covered it up because we do have more snow incoming and probably rain. There wasn't much more in here on this side, so all of this is going to have to be stacked probably this weekend. So ideally, before the snow is gone, I want to get the rest of this pile into my wood room inside the house. And then that way it could be nice and dry for next winter, because I do burn a lot of wood, and burning even this semi-wet wood, it really sucks. So looking at it from this angle, I have 2 rows and then just a little bit of this row left and a little bit at the end. This stuff here is just from old raised beds that I had taken out to replace the metal beds, so make use of that for the burn barrel. So that is just for the burn barrel for outside, and some pine and stuff like that that I prefer not burn in the house. So I'll take you over here outside the fence and I'll show you what else I have for wood. So all of this wood here is basically if somebody needs to buy like a cord of wood, I have this good to go. It's mostly pine and spruce. And over my fence here, this is the wood from at Gord's place when we ordered the transport load.
They're wanting $140 for a phase board.
What I got left, that's why I had to get the wood in the house. That's what I just brought in, and that's what needs to get piled now. Lots of work in wood, but nothing beats the wood heat, honestly. Okay, I got work to do, so everyone take it easy out there. Keep doing the things. I got more seeds that I need to get started because I grow everything from seed for my garden. Well, I'd say 95%. So I have all of that stuff to do this weekend and just getting her done. Thank you for watching. Northern Girl out. So that's what I have stacked outside my gate, outside my fence. Now I think that I should, in no time, with this snow that still exists, I'll have my wood room completely filled, and then I will have a good amount for next winter. Maybe even like a whole other full wood room. So get her done before the snow melts. It's the best way that that I can do this with that little snow scoop. And thanks, Thompson, for that great idea. All right, I got seeds to get started, more seeds to get started, I should say, and Etsy orders to get in the mail. Have a great weekend, everyone. I'm the girl out. I'm glad I got that done yesterday, because look at it today. Winter is Winter's still here.